Welcome to Grammar Practice Free English Course Online 7. Today's grammar points. To have. Some, any, every. We will see the verb to have in the present simple. The verb to have. Positive form. I have, you have, he, she, it has. We have, you have, they have. Has is only for the third person singular, he, she, it. Have is for all the other singular and plural forms. The verb to have can be in a contracted, short form too. Short positive form. I've, you've, he, she, it has, we've, you've, they've. Negative form. I have not, you have not, he, she, it has not, we have not, you have not, they have not. Short negative form. I've not, I haven't, you've not, you haven't, he hasn't, she hasn't, it hasn't. We've not, we haven't, you've not, you haven't, they've not, they haven't. Some, any, and every are used in front of a noun. Any is used for negative and question statements. Questions using any generally mean that the answer can be yes or no. We are giving a choice. It is polite. Any. Have you any brothers? It isn't any better. There isn't any time. Some is used for positive statements and questions. Questions using some generally mean that we expect the answer to be yes. It can be considered less polite than using any. Some. I have some cousins. It has some nice music. Have you some change? How to use every. Every is used for positive statements. Every Monday I work. Every day I am here. Every year I travel to London. That's it for today.